Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is my state-of-the-art shelving project for the shop. This will be the base. What I did was, this is 30 inches going this way and 30 inches going that way. And this is nothing but out of scraps, except for the casters. I had those in the shop for another project, and I'll just replace them whenever I can get to a hardware store. But this is the base. Now these are what you'd call stiffeners, and you can run them this way, you can run them this way, but I think this way will be enough. If not, later on I'll put a whole board down here and just glue it in place, but I think that's enough to support what weight I'll have on here. But they're screwed into every board, and then they're glued as well, and these boards are glued together right in this area. And this will be, the actual shelving will be 26 by 26, but I wanted a larger base to give it where it wasn't subject to tilt over. And the heavier stuff I'll store at the bottom of the shelves, and lighter stuff going up top. But all this is out of scrap wood and screws I had left over from various jobs that's already been costed out. And I glued the wheels on too and screwed them on, and I let them set upside down. And it's upside down right now, so it'll flip over. And I glued the wheels on too. Then I just finished screwing them on this morning, and I'm fixing to start building the shelf part. But I'll flip it over and get started on that. And we'll see how the day progresses. See how much I can get done. Of course, I've got nothing else to do, so I'm just shelf poor in my shop. But I needed where I could, and the way I'm going to do this, it'll be on 4 sides. There'll be a cubby holes, and then there'll be a wall. Well, on the wall, I'll put screws on the wall and like hang tools that I have that I use for that one particular side. And for each side, it'll be for a particular purpose. If it's a plumbing side, there'll be plumbing stuff, and there'll be plumbing tools hung on that wall to coordinate that one side, and I can spin it around and get what I need. And I need shelving space so bad, so I figured this would be a good project. And hold on a minute, we'll turn it over so you can see that. This is what it looks like flipped over, and the actual shelf itself will be 26 by 26, so that'll leave me 2 inches all the way around, and that'll work out just fine. And like I said, I'm not really going to be moving it all over the shop. I could if I wanted to, but it's just more where I can just pull it out a little bit and spin it and get to what I need to. And I'll get some of my shop cleaned up with this. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like. Hit that subscribe button. God bless.